How to solve Adobe Express app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your settings of the device and then scroll down and you can see the option of apps. Tap on that. Then tap on manage apps, and then here on the search bar you can just search for the app Adobe Express. Tap on that and you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on that and then select on delete all data. Okay, now go back to the Play Store application and just search for Adobe Express. Tap on that and make sure that it is updated to its latest version so that you don't have any glitches while using it. After updating, go back and tap on power button and tap on reboot, and rebooting also helps in solving your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.